everybody, welcome back. This is
Mattison,
and
this is
Shannon.
And
Thank you for
Max.
Oh, and Max hiding in the back. Welcome to the Busy Butterfly channel. Yesterday was 4th of July, and with all the pretty colors we saw in the sky and the sparkles, I woke up this morning craving like these cream cheese, cherry, apple-filled Danishes because I thought of all these colors, and so I thought we could make them look pretty cool and fun. So we've never done this before. So I went online and I just grabbed any recipe. There's a lot of recipes on there. I will link the recipe that we were using in the description box below. This is our first time doing it, so we don't know, and we're going to put our own little spin on it. So let's get to it. Oh, don't forget to put a comment in the box below.
and subscribe
And
to our channel.
And there's like a little bell. My understanding is if you hit the bell also, that whenever you get notified when we upload more videos. So thank you for joining us.
And hit 50,000 likes.
Oh, Max
like last time.
Maxie wants 50,000 likes. So in this recipe, we're making cream cheese Danishes, and so I made it before. We're going to use this big and flaky crescent grand rolls. For our filling, we have 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to use
milk.
Nope, that's not for that one. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. For our fillings, we have cherry, and we have, oh, one more thing.
Mom, you always need food. Sorry guys, my mom had to get one more thing. Mom, now you have to edit
Okay,
that
no,
out.
I don't. Not editing anything right now. Okay, so then we have the cherry.
Yes.
And then our other option is an apple pie filling. And then, because we got kids, everybody loves chocolate chips, so we're going to do chocolate chips. And then, after we design our crescent rolls, we're going to then coat it with a light bit of egg. And it's supposed to give this shininess, make it look more brown. And that's not in this recipe, but I do this with my other stuff when I bake. So, alrighty. And then the tools we're using is obviously, we have our fork, we have measuring spoon. Mommy is going to use this knife.
We have some of these small forks, little forks, and big forks.
And we have a cutting board.
Yep.
And then we're going to lay our...
And we're gonna use milk.
Yes, and I'll explain what we're going to use that for. Put the milk down for a second so we don't spill.
1/4 of milk.
And then we're going to use this cookie sheet to put our Danishes on.
And forks.
So what Mattison was talking about, our milk, we're going to use milk and powdered sugar. After our Danishes are done cooking, we're going to use that for the topping of our Danishes. So let's get started.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
Peace. Hi guys, me and my mom we need a minute to mix up this
Cream cheese filling.
cream cheese filling, and me and my mom are done. So
We should go on to the next step.
yes.
Okay, so let's set this aside. Now we're going to open up our crescent rolls. If you got the big ones, and you pinch it like this. Okay? Hold on, not yet. You want to help me pinch? Right on the corner. Okay? Okay, hold on. Now, Mommy, put your hands away. I'm going to cut this. Okay, so now we have 2 pieces. Okay? So, according to these, they say you could do some really fun stuff. Okay, so we're going to cut a line down the side right here. And then it said to cut a line down right here. I have no idea, to be honest. I'm going off of memory. Cut a line right there and cut a line right, I don't know. Oh, and one of the videos that I saw and all the cooking instructions, they say don't use a knife that has all the little, I don't even know what it's called.
Spikes.
The little spikes. Don't put your fingers on there. You're supposed to use a nice straight knife. Okay. Okay. Ah, you okay? All right. So what we forgot to mention was before you start baking, you want to preheat your oven. And so we have it turned on right now at 350 degrees. So we have our danishes cut and designed. We have a...
We need to put some chocolate chips on one of them.
Yeah, we forgot to put chocolate chips on one of them, and that's very important. So, Mattison, I believe that one's yours. And that one's yours? Okay. Let's see. There you go, love. Maybe, let's see if we could just tuck it in there.
I want to tuck mine in.
And then we will clamp it back together. Let's use that fork. And clamp it back together. Ooh, that looks good.
Put some,
okay,
put some on yours.
Oh, I don't want chocolate on mine, but thank you very much. Oh, I also had to go get another cookie sheet because the cookie sheet we had was a little too small, and obviously all of them aren't going to cook on the same one like that. So now we're going to, I forgot to mention, we need to get, I don't even know what these are called.
These are called...
What is it called? Don't do it yet.
It's called sweepers to sweep some stuff that you want if you have too much to sweep it off.
Oh, you think so? Well, what we're going to use this for is, we're going to set this aside for a second, and we're going to whip up our eggs. Nope. We're going to whip up our eggs. Hold on. Nope. With this fork. Okay.
I want to whip up it.
Here. Very lightly. Alrighty. Now, we're going to take, I should probably find out what this is called. Now we're going to set this aside. And what I want, a pastry brush. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, so now I want you to get a little bit and coat it on the top of your danishes. Yep, just like that. We're gonna make, on top of these danishes, they have this, like this syrup on top. It hardens, it's like an icing. So we're gonna make that. So we are going to use, I'm gonna use a recipe that I use with my, when I bake cookies. And I got a half a cup of powdered sugar.
And I'm gonna use milk.
Milk, but don't pour that milk in. That's way too much milk. I just put it like that. And I'll let you lick the spoon. Boop. We're not using the spoon, we'll get a new one. All right, we'll be back when the croissants come out of the oven. Oh, duh, danishes. We put the danishes in the oven at 350 degrees, and we have it, since it's our first time doing it, the recipe calls for 12 to 17 minutes, I think it says.
You try it.
Oh, no, thank you. You're going to smush it in my face. So we're going to try 15 minutes, and we're just going to check it. And we'll be back to show off what we made. What do we say?
Hi guys, we're back and here's our danishes and look how yummy they are. But they're not finished yet. We gotta put icing on them.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we made our icing. Well, actually you did, right? With our powdered sugar and our milk. So you want it to get like a consistency like this. And then watch me, baby girl. All right, see? Our 4th of July celebration, our little patriotic flags. I'm gonna set that down. Okay, Mattison, let's show off our yummy danishes.
We're gonna eat them now and we're gonna share it with you.
All right, which one are you gonna choose? That's your plate. Chocolate.
Which one are you gonna choose?
I think I'm gonna choose...
I'm gonna choose this one for them.
For that one for them? Okay, let's take a bite into our yummy. Oh, it's really good. That's finger looking good. What are you tasting yours?
It tastes like all the chocolate.
You taste the chocolate? What else do you taste?
Cherry.
Look how good that looks inside. How yummy.
Share one with them. Share this long one with them.
Well, they're going to have to be suspense with that one.
I'm going to share mine. Eat up.
Well, thank you so much for joining Mattison and I.
We're going to see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and if you have a question or if you see something that you want I and my children to make, just let us know.
And guys, and subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Keep on eating.
Bye!
Hit that bell.
Oh,
Hit the bell button.
Max said hit that bell button.
So you can get notified. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.